Hi everybody, my name is Janet Bogardus and I am a certified childbirth educator, labor support doula, prenatal yoga teacher, and lactation counselor. In this express class at the Prenatal Yoga Center, we will be going over signs your body is getting ready for labor versus how you will know when you're actually in labor. We will also be going over the stages and phases of labor. Then comes the fun part. We're really gonna come up with plans of like, what are you gonna do when labor begins? That's fun, relaxing, and distracting. And what are you gonna do when labor gets more active? And that's where this ball comes into play that I'm sitting on, where we'll explore positions that facilitate labor, how the 5 senses help you in labor, how your breathing helps you in labor, so that you can be as comfortable as possible taking it one contraction at a time. The third part of class will be talking about what if you want to continue the labor you were doing at home at the hospital. What does that look like? What if you get to the hospital and you're like, time out, I think I need an epidural. What does that look like? We'll also be talking about induction and cesarean. We will end on the high note of urge to push. Thanks so much. I'm looking forward to working with you.